I hope you have a very lovely and sweet day. We have a very quick tour of Ottawa because we have to go back to Mississauga to catch our flight. So we thought we're gonna share this a quick tour with you. Here you go. So we are right now in the cross section of the Parliament Hill building. You will see on my left side all those historical and beautiful Parliament Hill buildings. There were some construction going on my left side.
KP, in which street we are right now?
We are on Wellington Street, that is in front of the Parliament Hill.
Oh KP, I wish it should be a sunny day today.
Oh, me too. Because those buildings gonna look so beautiful in the sunshine, right?
Yeah.
So look at those.
Oh, here is another building. It's of glass building. And
Oh wow, yeah.
the name of building it's National Gallery of Canada, KP.
Wow, this is looking so beautiful as well, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, we are passing by right now on Embassy Road. There are a lot of embassies on this road.
So right now we are entering on the bridge and its name is McDonald Bridge and it's divided the two provinces, KP.
Yeah, I know it's on the Ottawa River, right? And it's divided Ontario and Quebec, right? Look at those beautiful view of the Ottawa River, right? It's really like wide,
right,
right?
now we are in Quebec province, KP.
Yeah, here you go. So as soon you're gonna cross this bridge, you're gonna be in Quebec, right? So that's how it is. It's so amazing, when once you are just on the divided line of two provinces. Is it not amazing? I'm just right now on the Quebec province roads, right? And look at those structure of the Quebec province of those buildings right on my left side. And yeah, it's amazing. It's thrilling when you just on a zero line kind of two provinces, right? So we didn't went far. So we thought let's go back because we are in rush and we kind of turn back and you will see here another
Here
bridge,
you
right?
go, another bridge, KP.
Wow. And this bridge is also parallel to the McDonald Bridge as well. Bridge name is Alexandra Bridge, and believe me, what an awesome scene of the Parliament Hill buildings on this bridge, Dia. Look
Yeah.
at those, right?
What a beautiful
Wow.
buildings looking from this bridge.
This side so beautiful. Wow, you can see the Ottawa River, and then you can see all the shadow in the Ottawa River of those Parliament Hill buildings, right? Oh wow, it was really nice scene when we were passing by.
What is this, KP? This canal is?
This is Rideau Canal. It's run through the Ottawa. So guys, this was our short tour. We are now heading back to Mississauga because we need to catch our flight. We done stop over at en route. It's kind of a truck stop as well. And there's a bunch of restaurant inside and Canadian Tire gas station actually. There's a Burger King, Tim Hortons, and Popeye Chicken, and plus they have their own convenience store that's called On Market. It was neat and clean. We are pretty much late here. Only the Tim Horton and On Market was open on that time. People can relax here and comfortable themselves for a while. This is a very relaxing and beautiful stopover. If you guys are tired from a long journey, you can sit and relax here and eat. I thought give you a hotel review where we stayed at Mississauga. We stay at Super 8, which is located on Kennedy and Courtney Park. And also I just want to give you the review about their continental breakfast they claimed when we booked, right? So it was really disappointing actually. The behavior of the customer service on the counter was really bad. They said they're gonna provide us a continental breakfast. In a bit you will see what they provided us. and the customer service behavior on the convenience store where you have to go and pick your coffee and they're gonna make by their own hand to provide you the coffee whatever you want it. So anyways, the room was okay, not bad, like as usual and as per the hotel standard. There was 2 bed available which we booked it. There was a table, two chairs, TV as you are looking for, 1 desk as well. I'm going to recommend this hotel only for the truck drivers because it is also a truck stop, and the room standard room. This hotel is it's okay. Look at those continental breakfast what they give us, like you have to go on convenience store which is adjacent to the this Super 8 hotel. They're gonna make a coffee or tea whatever you like it, plus they provide you a bag of the breakfast. You will see here this is yogurt, 1 pack of yogurt, and here you go, the magic is here. So the 1 water of bottle, look at that. The next one is a pack of apple juice. Okay, so guess what next is, Giria? Here you go. This is
muffin.
A muffin. Okay, you want to bet for the next one? Okay, here you go. So this is a kind of a croissant, you know. And what next? Here you go. So spoon.
Oh, wow.
So you're gonna eat those yogurt with the spoon, right? Here's a rusk, or they call it toast, right?
Yeah, toast.
But I'll say those are the rusk, right?
Yeah.
And what you like it, Diya, here?
Oh, right
Oh,
now
man.
only muffin.
Oh man, so a muffin, yeah, and I think so croissant and muffin.
And the yogurt as well.
Yogurt
Oh,
as well. Here you
it's
go.
a cream cheese.
They give us a 2 pack of the cream cheese in the 1 bag, right?
So it means we have to spread this cream cheese on that right toast.
Yes, yeah, it's a
On
rusk.
that right
So
toast.
there wasn't any actually bread included in it, like even a couple of pieces or something
Oh,
like
another
that.
cream cheese.
Yeah, another cream cheese. And what is next? Just hold your heart, guys. Here you go. Granola bar.
Granola bar.
Okay, this is still continental breakfast, guys. Really, I'm telling, believe me.
And healthy orange.
choice, and healthy choice, the orange. So that's all. So 2 cup of coffees and 1 bag. That's include all those continental breakfast in that bag is right. So they give us 2 because we stayed 2 people. So anyways, this tour, it was really awesome. Please subscribe and share Enjoy Star Food. Any final word, Diya?
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Thank you very much, guys. See you again.
Bye bye.